everyone, just see the basics of circle of class 9th. In basics of circle, we will discuss following points, that is radius of circle, diameter of circle, chord of circle, arc of circle, sector of circle and segment of circle. See, one by one we will discuss all these points. If anybody asks what is circle, then its answer is very simple. A circle is a closed figure. See, a circle is a closed figure whose distance from fixed point is fixed. Now this is fixed point, this is fixed point, and this fixed point is taken as center of circle. This is the center of circle, and center of circle is generally denoted by O. Now just see this, all these distances will remain same, that is constant or same. Okay, now just see radius. What is radius? Now see, this is the circle, this is the center of circle, and this is a line segment joining center of circle to any point of circle, that is called radius. This will be the radius, and radius is generally denoted by R. Now just see concept of diameter. See, this is the circle, this is the center of circle, this is the line passes through center of circle and meeting at 2 points of circle is called diameter. This is diameter. Now we know that diameter is double of radius, 2 times of radius. Now just see OB is the radius of circle, we will take radius as R. O is the radius of circle, and C, diameter is taken by small d, so small d equals to R plus R, that is d equals to 2R. Thus diameter is double of radius. Now just see the concept of chord. Now this is the circle, this is the center of circle. What is chord? A line segment meeting on 2 points of circle. Yeah, a line meeting at 2 points of circle is called chord. See, AB is the chord, this one CD is the chord. Why? Because this line is meeting at 2 points of circle. Then EF is the chord, then GH is the chord. Now these all are chords. Now what happen if I say, see, this is the circle, this is the center of circle. Now this is the line segment AB passes through center of circle. If I ask this is chord or not, 100% it will be the chord, because it meets on 2 points of circle. See, when chord passes through the center of circle, then that chord become diameter. कहने का मतलब ये है, जब chord center of circle से पास होती है तो that chord has given a special name and that chord become diameter. Then what happened? This is the diameter. Means when chord passes through the center of circle, then it becomes diameter, and we can say that diameter is the longest chord of circle. I am writing here, diameter is the longest chord of the circle. This point we will underline. Now I hope you have understood. Now just see, I am writing 2 points. Point number 1, that is all chords are diameters. Second is all diameters are chords. Which one is correct? Now just see, first I am writing these points on board. Now see first, all chords are diameters, this one. Second point is all are diameters are chords. See, now which one correct? Now we will understand with the help of diagram. Now see, this is the circle, this is the center of circle, this is the chord AB, this is the chord CD, this is the chord EF, and this is the chord GH. Now just see, and I am making again another circle. See, this is the center of circle, this is the also center of circle. Now see, center of circle. Now this is the diameter AB, and this is the diameter CD, and this one is the diameter EF, this one is the diameter GH. Now see here, all chords are diameter. No, because chords are not passing through the center of circle, therefore this point will be wrong. And see, all diameters are chord. Yes, see, all the diameter that is passing through the center of circle and meeting at 2 points of circle are chords, therefore this point is correct. Therefore point number 1 is wrong, that is all chords are diameters. Point number 2, all diameters are chords, this is correct. Now next concept, arc of circle. Where is it? What is arc of circle? Any part of circle is called an arc of circle. See, now see, this is the circle, this is the circle, this is the center of circle. Any part of circle, this is called arc of circle, arc of circle. And see, when arc is smaller, then at that time this is called minor arc, this is called minor arc. Now see, this one is the, this time the arc is major, then it is called major arc. Now see here, I will take arc as AB, then AB is the minor arc, we will write AB और AB के ऊपर कर्व बना देंगे. इसी तरह सी, दिस टाइम दिस इज द मेजर आर्क, वी विल राइट AB और AB के ऊपर कर्व बना देंगे. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. नाउ जस्ट सी द concept of sector. What is sector? See, area bounded by two radii. This is the center of circle. These are the two radii. Then the area bounded by two radii and an arc of circle is called sector. Now see, this is called sector. And see, when arc is minor, then the sector will be at that time, that sector will be minor sector. Now again see, this is the major arc, this one is the major arc, and these are the two radii. The bounded area will be this one. Therefore this sector, arc is major, therefore this sector we will call as major sector. I hope you have understood. Now just see the concept of segment. Now what is segment? This is the circle, this is the center of circle, and see, this is the chord, this is the chord AB, and this is the arc of circle. Now very simple, area bounded by chord and an arc of circle is called segment, is called segment. And see, when arc is minor, then it is called minor segment. And see, this time the arc is major, therefore bounded area will be this, and this time this will be the major segment. major segment. I hope you have understood. If anybody having any confusion, then just write in comment section. And one humble request from my side, continuously keep on watching my videos and keep on supporting. And finally, next video I will make on the different theorems of circle, and next video will be very important. So finally, one humble request from my side, don't forget to like and subscribe, and soon I will upload the next video, and next video that will be based on the theorems of circle. That video will be really very informative for you all. Thank you.